With a full 360-degree vertical head rotation and full job site coverage, these new Milwaukee M18 high-performance area fans are a premium option for your work area. Featuring big 18-inch blades and a brushless motor, this fan quickly propels air, allowing for fast and efficient cooling, drying, or ventilation. The fan provides air circulation up to 15.2 meters and up to 21.7 kilometers per hour of maximum airspeed. But depending on the application, you get a handy 3-speed dial for low, medium, and high settings. Milwaukee have designed this fan with durability in mind, with a reinforced metal base and shroud design to withstand demanding job site environments with water, dust, and impact resistance. The lightweight and mobile design can adapt to any location with a full 360 degrees of vertical head rotation and an interlocking stackable storage design optimized for storage and transportation. Now let's talk battery life. Using a Milwaukee M18 5Ah red lithium battery, you can expect to get up to 9 hours of runtime on the low setting. And using the M18 12Ah high output red lithium battery, you get a huge 22 hours of runtime on the low setting. But if you find yourself without any batteries, Milwaukee do provide a handy 240 volt AC cord for extended runtime. These Milwaukee M18 high performance area fans are a premium durable option for work area cooling, drying, or ventilating. If you have any questions about the fan, let me know down in the comments, or grab yourself one at your nearest trade tools store or online at tradetools.com.